Alright, hello guys, what's going on? Okay, so today I'm showing you guys how to fix this one problem that I have. If you guys have two, then maybe I can fix that. So basically, the problem I have is basically when I click on Death Stranding, right? Yes, it show this VC runtime 140, 140 problem.dll. So basically what this error tell you that you are missing a DLL file. So how to fix that basically? So what you're gonna do is click the link that I gave you in the description below and it will take you to this site. So what you're gonna do is just scroll down and you got this a lot of download and download and download. So basically these are the version of DLL files. So I recommend you guys to download the newest one. So when you download it, you'll go to this page and your download will start in 0 seconds, blah blah blah. I already downloaded it, so yeah. So what you're gonna do is you're going to extract this file right here and drag this file to your desktop, so it'll be easier for you. So basically what you're gonna do now is just move this DLL file onto the Death Stranding file location. So I want you to right click on this one and click on open file location. So once you got that, you will have this a lot of file here. What you're gonna do is just basically drag this DLL file onto the Death Stranding file location. And yeah, so once you do that, just close and run your Death Stranding game again. So yeah, it will fix the problem. So basically it's like you don't have the DLL files for it, so you have to download it from the internet. So yeah, as you can see, it works. So yeah, that's it guys. So yeah, if you think this video, if this video helps you, click the like and the subscribe button, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.